Namaste. Today we are going to learn Warrior II pose, also known as Virabhadrasana. This pose has many benefits such as it can help to stretch the hips, shoulders, and groins, opens the chest and lungs, and strengthen the legs. To begin, start in mountain pose, Tadasana. Start standing at the top of your mat with your feet hip width distance apart. Feel your feet rooted to the earth. Step your right foot back about 4 feet. Open up through the hips and bring the left arm back. Your left foot should be at 45 degree, toes pointing to the front side of the mat. Your front foot is facing forward with your toes directly pointed at the front of your mat. With your arms wide open, perpendicular to the mat, engage all of your arm muscles, especially your triceps. Keep your shoulder blades back and down. Ensure both sides of your hips are open to the side of your mat, not facing forward. Open up in your upper body and keep your spine long. Bring your front thigh to a 90-degree angle with your knee directly above your ankle. Do not extend your knee beyond your ankle as this leaves the knee unsupported by your lower leg. Imagine slightly moving toward the right knee back and open. Engage your abdominal muscles to support your lower back. Gaze directly above your left middle finger. Relax and focus on one fixed point in front of you. Breathe, hold, and strengthen. Engage all the muscles in your left leg and arm muscles. Open up through the hips and chest. To release from the pose, look back to center. Straighten your left leg. Your right leg turns in front. And then back to your Tadasana pose. Palms by your side.